Third one, capacity, that is also known as volume. That is also known as volume. Okay. Length means how much long it is. How much long it is. Suppose there is a rope. Okay. We want to take its length. We want to take the measurement of its length. That means how long is the rope? Yes. For that, which type of unit we use? For that, the unit we are use kilometer. Okay, kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter, millimeter. That means the base is here meter. Yes, so shake your head if yes. Meter. Now, for this meter, usually we can use kilometer. For kilometer, the spelling is basically it is denoted by, no need to write its spelling. It will be denoted by, for kilo, K, for meter, M. So, KM. Kilometer. Okay, so for hectometer. Okay, look. Hectometer, here it will be denoted by, for hecto, H, meter, M, HM. Understood? Decameter. Let me clear. Decameter. Acha, Anjum beta, mute yourself. Anjum, mute yourself. Acha, for decameter, one thing is meter. Okay, then decimeter, centimeter, millimeter. Acha, one thing. Look at this. Decameter also D. Okay, and decimeter also D. Yes. So how to write these two? How to write this two? For decameter, we will denote D. Look, deca spelling D-E-C-A. So take this A, D-A-A. That is decameter. And for decimeter, only D-M. Acha, these are written by small letter. Okay. Acha, centimeter, it will be CM. Millimeter, it will be mm. Got it? Everybody? Is it clear? So, first one I explained, that is length. For length, kilometer, km, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter, millimeter. Everybody note down this. Everybody note down this one. First. Note down this first. Achha, all the student completed. Now for measuring weight, or it is given mass over there. Okay, so look at this. Mass, that means weight. So here the base unit that will be, look, in place of meter, it will be gram. G-R-A-M. That is denoted by G or G-M. G or G-M. Okay. So the same thing. First one, it is kilogram. So kg. Hectogram, H. Decagram, DAG. Gram, G. Decigram, DG. Centigram, CG. Milligram, MG. Ashia, Sulagna, clear? Sharanya? Acha, next, capacity. That means it is volume. Capacity means how much a container can hold, the quantity. The quantity a container can hold. That is volume. So here also the base will be liter. Liter. Okay, L. So what will we just say? What will be for in place of kilometer and kilogram? What will be there? KL, kiloliter. Yes or no? Shake your head. Vahia, Shirin, Afrina, understood the beta? Kiloliter, hectoliter, then decaliter. Are you writing beta? Liter, deciliter, centiliter, milliliter. Got it? Understood? So you have to remember the base unit or standard unit, meter. The standard unit is here meter, here gram, okay, denoted by G, here liter, denoted by L. Now if you can remember the standard unit, then you can easily say the others unit. Okay, look. Acha, which one is bigger, kilometer or meter? Who can say? For kilometer, exactly. Acha, the same thing. Which one is bigger? Kilogram, okay? We are starting from left to right. This left unit is bigger than the right one. Now how? Look, let me explain. Acha, first all the students completed up to this? Yes. Afrina, say. Afrina, say. No problem, acha, okay.
Ma'am, I am tell that you not do money chapter exercise C and D.
What? Say again.
Ma'am, I am tell that in money chapter exercise C and D you not do. That
Money
is
chapter,
left.
money chapter to completed. Okay, let me check. Wait.
No, ma'am. C and D exercise are not completed.
Oh, acha, that division, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. That portion I'll do later. Before that, at first I'll complete measurement. Understood the beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Acha, Inakshi, keep your camera on, beta.
Recorded. Today my
Yes.
network is very low.
Okay, I'll upload this. Don't worry. Acha, now look. Suppose I'm writing kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter, millimeter. Acha, when we'll move from one place to another. Okay, from kilometer to, suppose decimeter we are moving. Look, there is given 1 kilometer. 1 kilometer. That one is equal to how much decimeter? What to do? Acha, from kilometer we are starting. So kilometer ko chhod denge. We leave kilometer. Don't take kilometer. From the next place, just take. How many zeros will be there? Hectometer 1, decameter 2, meter, decimeter. 4 places? Yes, though. So there will be 4 zeros. Understood? Is it clear to everybody? Sushnata, Oishi, Ushali, Vahia, Sharanya, is it clear? Are you doing the class? Sharanya? Okay, so suppose in place of 1, it is given 3 kilometer is equal to how much decimeter? So Sharanya, say what will be the answer? Unmute 3. And how many zeros will be there? Look, from kilometer to decimeter move. Kilometer, just leave kilometer, don't take kilometer. From the next step, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter. How many zero will be there? Sharanya, say 1, 2, exactly 4 zeros. Good. So it is clear though. Suppose we are telling same thing. 1 kiloliter is equal to how much liter? So what will be the answer? From kiloliter to liter. Look, one then hectoliter, decaliter, liter. Yes or no? Okay, everybody understood though?
Yes, ma'am.
Acha, okay, now Sharanya, unmute yourself better. Beta, unmute and say understood. All the Acha, shake your head. Ashmit, okay, good. Ashia, Shulagna, Sheikh Shahil Jamal, Shampriti, Nushaiba, Raiza, Farhan. This thing is clear though? Acha, when we will move back side. Now let me explain that back thing. Look at this. Suppose here it is given kilogram, hectogram, decagram, gram, decigram, centigram and milligram. Look, from centigram to decagram we are moving. Okay. Suppose here it is given 2139 centigram is equal to how much? Decagram. Everybody look at this very carefully. Raiza, Farhan Malik, Shampriti, everybody. Nusaiba, if you are not there, only you are attending the class, but you are not sitting over there, then I'll not mark you present. Huh? Achha, okay, now look. Centigram to decagram. Here it is centigram. Here it is decagram. Achha, we will move from centigram to decagram. कहाँ से हम start करेंगे? We'll start from centigram तो. Then leave it. उसको छोड़ देंगे. Just leave it. So we'll not take centigram. Now look. 1 place, 2 place, 3 place. Yes or no? 1 place, 2 place, 3 place. Everybody, yes or no? Farhan, Ashmit, Devoshmita, Muhammad, Nahid, Moushim, Bahia. This one clear though? So how many zeros are there? 3. So we will have to divide this 2139 divided by 1. How many zero will be there? 1, 2, 3. 1000. Always. Suppose 2 place. Then divided by 100. 20. Is it clear to everybody? Noras, Shishnata, Shirin, Ankita, Intika, Meheria. Understood? Okay. Now look, what will be the answer? 2139 divided by 1000. How many zeros are there? This one already done in decimal, na? Meheria, can you remember? Done in decimal. So 3 place to the left side. The answer will be 2 decimal 139. Yes or no? This decagram. Understood? Okay. Now
Hello,
let
ma'am.
me. Yes, say beta.
Ma'am, can you say again?
Yes. Suppose I am giving you one question. 21 liter is equal to how much kiloliter? Look at this. Acha, the table is kiloliter, hectoliter, decaliter, liter, deciliter, centiliter, milliliter. Yes, though. Everybody look at this very carefully. Shomodi, Parijat, look at this very carefully. Sheikh Irfan, Mohammad Sahim, Rajpreet, look at this. Acha, now look. It is given from liter to kiloliter we are going, Anjum, from liter to kiloliter. So, liter ko chhod denge. We will not take this liter. Now, how many places? 1, 2, 3. So, 21 divided by 1000 kiloliter. Got it? Now, 21
Yes,
by 1000. There are how many zeros? 3 though.
Yes, ma'am.
So decimal point will move 3 place before. But here are the 2 digits. So another will have to take 0. Yes?
Yes.
Understood this kiloliter? Got it everybody? Parijat beta? Maushim? Acha, okay. Now look at this. Devoshmita understood? Oh. Acha, okay. Now here we will start exercise A. Okay. Look at this. Convert 50 meter to centimeter. These are very much easy. Look. Let me clear the screen first. Exercise A. 1. Number A. 50 meter to centimeter. 50 meter. Achha, now count. Kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter. Meter, then decimeter, centimeter. So how many places? Meter को तो छोड़ देंगे. Decimeter, centimeter. So 50 into, always take 1 and how many places? 2 places, 20. Centimeter. Understood? Or directly you can do. What? How directly you can do? The question is given 50 meter to. So meter to centimeter. Decimeter, centimeter. Two places are there. So just directly put 2 zeros. 1, 2 centimeter. Is it clear to everybody? Shomodip Ghodui, Sheikh Irfan, Inteka, Pratibha, Trisha. Understood, beta? Okay, good. Wajid, Azdadur, Bonusri. Understood, beta? Acha, Oishani Omitra is not present today. Nusaiba, Noraz, keep your camera on. Ananya, Anushka, Shoikot, keep your camera on. Shifatak, Shonakshi, Khan. Yes, there is Oishani and Omitra. You cannot keep your camera on, better.
No, ma'am.
Acha, okay,
Today is very much network problem.
Yes, I can also face. Acha, I am also facing a network issue. Acha, okay. Have you understood? All the students shake your head.
Yes, ma'am, we have understood.
Acha, okay. Now the next one. I am doing number C. 1A done, then C. 3 kilometer, 2 meter. Acha, now count just 3 kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter. Hectometer, decameter, meter. 3 place. So how many zero will be there? Say hectometer, decameter, meter. Then put the meter unit. Okay. Now I am doing number E. 60 decimeter to meter. Now look at this. Acha, decimeter. Sorry, it is given decameter. Decameter. 60 decameter to meter. So kilometer, hectometer, decameter here. Then only meter, now only one place. So 1 0 will be there. Is it clear to everybody? Ananya, Anushka, Sheikh Arhan, Shomdatta, Sharnakshi, Anubhav, Shifatha, Kazradur, Ankita, Farhan Malik. Understood, beta? Shake your head. Intekab, okay, good. Azadu, sheet properly. I cannot see you, beta. Now number A. 15 meter to millimeter. Now meter to millimeter means meter, decimeter, centimeter, millimeter. You have to remember this chart. This chart you will have to remember. Now meter को तो छोड़ देंगे, just leave meter. 1 2 3. So here 3 0 will be. Completed all the students. Bonus beta, understood? Shaking head. Noras. Mohammad Sahim, Trisha, Rajpreet, Parijat. Understood? Okay. Raiza. Acha, now I'm moving for the next page, huh? Look at this. Let me clear the screen. Achha, number G. Number G, it is given 15 kilometer and 182 meter. This whole we have to convert into meter. Try to understand how to do this type of thing. First, this kilometer we will have to convert into meter. Then we will add these to meter. Again listen. Again listen. Look, first 15 kilometer we will have to convert this into meter. Look, 15 kilometer, 182 meter. So how to do? First, convert this 15 kilometer into meter. So this will be 15 kilometer to meter. Kilometer, then hectometer, decameter, meter. 3 zeros will be there. Vahia, okay, so 3 0. Then right here meter. Now it will remain kilometer or meter. Already so it is converted, na? It has been converted into meter. Okay. After that, plus this 182 meter. Understood though what to do? Now just add them. Now add them. 15,182 meter. Is it easy or tough? Meheria, Deboshmita, it's easy. Meheria, show me your copy. I don't think that you are doing. Show me your copy. Keep it in front of the camera. This is your today's class work. Okay, write first. Now the next one. Number 8. It is given 15 kilometers. Number 8 is given 50 kilometers. 50 kilometer. Even I cannot see it properly. But anybody just say, let me zoom it. Wait. 50 meter given, na? Vahia? Yes, yes. 50 meter. Okay, okay, okay. And 300 centimeter, na? Acha, okay, okay, okay. Convert this into meter. Into meter. Acha, if it is given into meter, now no need to convert this 50 meter into centimeter. It is the already meter done. 50 meter plus. Now convert this centimeter into meter only. Understood? Now centimeter, if we want to convert centimeter into meter, how to do? 300, look. Meter, then decimeter, then centimeter. So centimeter se meter tak jana hai. Okay? That means it is in the, we will have to move from right to left. From this to this side means division. Though I told this, it has been told you later. So centimeter to meter means this side. So how many places? 1 and 2. So divided by 120. Yes or no? Trisha, understood? Trisha, Meheria, Shushnata, okay. So now 50 meter plus this division. So decimal point will move 2 place to the left side. That means these 2 0 will be cancelled out. How many zeros are there? 2. So it will move 2 place to the left side. Or you can cancel these 2 zeros. So ultimately the answer will be 3. It will be 53 meter. Complete this first. All the students completed? Bonusri understood? Bonusri, keep your camera on. Where are you, Bonusri? Krishnata, Paushali, Oishi, understood? Good. Acha, Noras, Bonusri, Mohammad Nahid, understood? Bonusri, which one you have not understood? Bonusri?
Ma'am, the question number G.
Number G. Why beta? Look, 15 kilometers. So,
Actually, the thing I have understood that is why it is written 15,000.
beta, it was given 15 kilometers. So,
Yes.
kilometer to, we are converting this kilometer into meter.
Yes.
So,
We are converting it into meter.
into meter. Now look, if we are converting kilometer to meter, look at this. Kilometer will not take this. Now hectometer, decameter, meter. How many places beta? 3 places.
3 zeros.
So 3 zeros
Okay.
are there. Now
Then
it is
15
clear. 15 into 1000 exactly. Here it is into, when we are moving from right to left, it is division. When look, kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter, millimeter. So when we are converting from left to right, then multiply. That means we are adding zeros. We are putting the zeros. And when from right to left, then division. Then decimal point will move to before place. Understood everybody?
Yes.
Everybody unmute yourself. Everybody unmute yourself and say up to this you have understood or not. Acha, first
Yes, ma'am, understood.
all the student, all the student.
Yes, ma'am, understood.